Hello guys, Carlos FB back with another video. I know this camera angle is kind of weird, but I don't want you guys in the light, so I kind of fixed it. So, set up the dynamics, look really nice, and I put some Chuff teak tuning bubble bushings. And my wheels don't pop out on these trucks, and these are 34 millimeters, and they work good. It took me a while to get the bushings on, but I found it. And this is like my first deck with like real pivot cups, because like the broken knuckle trucks have like what's it called, like plastic pivot cups, and this has like real. And I'm gonna show you guys like the ramp I'm using. Using like this granite looking. I'm using like this granite long piece, really long. So yeah, it grinds really smooth. That's what I like about it. So yeah guys, I'm pretty much done. And this deck is really good. Rides good. Comes with some silver screws. So it's like the best trucks I've ever rode in. And to me, from far away, they look like I have BRTs on. But they're good for tricks. And I think these trucks are pretty higher than the other ones I had. So I'm going to compare it to a deck that I have with the same trucks that were on it. So it's still the same size, which I don't really care about. But the only thing I liked about it was the hydra was longer than broken knuckle. But I didn't really care because